Okay, well, here they are. The watermelons are in the 30-gallon pots. This one's ready. I decided that if you let these go until just the tendrils die, a lot of times they're not ready. But this one, the vine is kind of done. And on the second melon, looks like the vine is alive, but the tendrils are dead. But I think it needs to go longer. These giant melons, you know, take longer. So I think you have to let it go until the vine is about spent. Okay, this is why we grow in containers, because of this. You can see it, the rain. The potatoes are doing great though, and the watermelons are doing great, but they're almost done. And I think it's normal for the vine to die once the watermelons are ready. Well, we're bringing in the second watermelon. Had to use a dolly because this thing is big. It's going up the stairs right now. Well, for all practical purposes, watermelon does not need to be this big. But let's do a taste test. The texture looks good. It has a great texture. It's not mushy. It tastes really sweet. So I give this one A+ for flavor and texture.